Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. We're in the lovely Kalamaki and we're going to take a walk to the beach, so let's see Wagwan. You all know the vibe. So we've just come from the main strip in Kalamaki. So there's a nice hotel, this one. Let us know if you stayed there. Really nice sky restaurant, ceramic. What are the words am I looking for? 360 basically. Don't know where the word ceramic came from. Panoramic, there we go. At least someone's on the ball. Nice little tavern there, Lambros. Traditional Greek plate throw-in, so they must do a Greek night there. Let us know if you come to this one. And then you've got the island cocktail bar. And the little shops. This is, like I said, just off the main bit of Kalamaki, and we're heading towards the beach. And then you've got Luna over there as well. It's a nice little pretty one. Absolutely roasting today. So if anyone's wondering about the weather, it is very hot. Got Antinis pool bar. Car for sale. Don't know if that one's open over there. This one is though. Hello. Hi. Afternoon. Mojitos cocktail bar. And then that's a big one, isn't it? What's this one called? Cavity Sweets. Hang on. Oh, it's with an E, so I couldn't see that as I was coming round. No, it is a C, sorry. Cavo de Sweets. Very nice. And we got George's. Yeah, let us know if you stayed in that one. Oh yeah, really good price for the Gyros. Good prices. Chicken and pork 4, 5 for sausage, burger pitta and vegetable pitta €5. George's restaurant snack bar Kalamaki. It's a really good price. Compared to, we were just at Laganas. Actually, we did find one for about 4 in Laganas, but most of them were sort of varied. That was for a small. That's a good price. That's the prices we like. When you see them for like 8, 9, they've got to be something really exceptional. Got Nectar Kitchen there. Like the green, that's quite nice. You go, open, all welcome, food and drinks, 11 till 12. Sunshine Cafe, hello. And then you've got the restaurant for that hotel there, or the other entrance. That big one. And then you've got Biggie's, Mediterranean Cuisine, restaurant bar. And then if you have got your swim trunks, you've got all your beach shops here. Probably won't be able to see, so I've got a filter on, but it's a big convenience store. No, they won't see. I see anything with my filter on. But anyway, beach towels, got your lilos, beach sports, umbrellas, sun lotion, everything you need to go and have a nice fun day at the beach. So it's not a far walk. We started from probably the roundabout at the end where Melon Bar is. And then we're just walking straight to the beach. So at this end of the video, I'll see how long it's taken. Give you guys an idea. Again, we're not walking too fast, but depending on your walk speed. It's not a bad walk as either. Just be careful because obviously there's not always pavement. Just make sure you're sort of keeping yourself safe. There's another nice one there, Clelia. I think that's how you pronounce it. Got some nice ones at the top there, isn't it, with the roof terrace. Just going to sort out my camera, so it's gone a bit crazy. 1 second. Yep. Right. Oh, no.
How you doing? Don't hold it for me, trying to hold it. Stop trying to hold it now.
Sorry about that, guys. Gimbal is having a little mind of its own. Oh, I can see the ocean. I'm getting close. Ah, look at that. Get a better view in a minute. More resorts there, still part of Clelio. Again, don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Got another rental place there as well, Autolux. So many of those around, so again, can't stress enough, do shop around, because depending on where you're staying, there's about 7 or 8 all in sort of a line of each other. So you don't have to always go for the first one. If you don't like the price, have a little bit of a barter and then go to the next one until you're happy and you can be on one of those. And like I said, the quad bikes are probably the most popular that people are on. Another nice big hotel here. Looks very grand. There's some really beautiful places to stay. We've stayed in like so many different beautiful ones. We've stayed in 3 different apartments since being on Zante, in Zante. Oh, got a plane coming in there as well. Looks like an EasyJet. So yeah, we will put those out as well. So if anyone's interested in accommodation or the different apartments, those videos will be going out as well. So do look out for those on the channel. And if you don't want to miss anything, ring the bell, make sure you're subscribed. It's the best way. So that's a nice restaurant there. Just have a little peek in. Wow, that looks lovely. Got those ocean views. But we're going straight down here to the beach. So you can park as well, if anyone's wondering. There is space to park. I think it's free. So yeah, just as long as there's a space, you can park your car if you're coming from a little bit further or if you're like us walking in. But yeah, look at that. Water looks absolutely stunning. Waters here are such a beautiful colour and they're also clear. So yeah, I'll go to the sign, give you guys the idea of the beach that we're at, and that's that restaurant I just showed you. So stunning views there. Lovely place to have a meal. If anyone wants to check this area out, this is where we are. This is where we walked to from Kalamaki. So this is the Kalamaki Beach. And got a price for a sunbed down there. So 2 sunbeds, 1 umbrella, €20. Let's do that again. So right guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, hype, everything in between really, really helps and we really do appreciate it. Do check out the rest of our playlist. We've got loads of footage on there and we'll see you guys on the next one.